Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to hide those colorful role highlights in names on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you find the colors distracting or you just prefer a cleaner look, today I'll show you exactly how to turn off role colors in Discord names, updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you see your servers and chats. Next, look for your profile icon. You'll find it in the bottom right corner of the screen. Give that a tap to open up your user settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see the section called App Settings. Here, you'll find an option labeled Accessibility. Tap on Accessibility to open up more options. Now, scroll down to the part that says Role Colors. This is where Discord lets you control how role colors appear in the app. By default, Discord shows the role colors next to people's names, making it easy to spot admins, mods, or special members. But if you want a more uniform look, or if you find the colors hard on your eyes, you can change this setting. Under Role Colors, you'll see an option that says, Don't Show Role Colors. Tap on this option. Instantly, Discord will stop displaying those colored names in your server member lists and chat messages. Everyone's name will appear in the default text color, giving your chats a much cleaner and simpler appearance. And that's it. You've just hidden role colors in Discord names on mobile. If you ever want to bring the colors back, just follow these steps again and switch the setting back to show role colors. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips. See you in the next video.